Hey everybody, here's a quick look at the art journal page for making today using the supplies from the Mixed Media Inspired subscription. I'm working in my large dilutions art journal and I'm applying Lindy's Starburst spray and some water to create this drippy background, and I'm going to keep spraying the spray until I'm happy with the coverage, and then I'm going to allow this to lay flat and dry. When the background is 100% dry, I'm tearing up some vintage music sheet paper and gluing it down on my background using distressed collage medium and a collage medium brush. I'm applying a layer of the collage medium both behind and on top of the paper to protect it and seal it for future techniques. Then I'm grabbing some white paint and I'm painting in between the drips because as I was looking at this, it's kind of reminded me of piano keys. So I'm making an abstract piano keys on the right side of my page. After the white is dry, I'm also using some blue distress paint to paint on the piano keys. So I have a little bit of blue, a little bit of white to create interest on this abstract piano key border I've made. Now I'm grabbing a brayer and some more white paint and a piece of bubble wrap that I got in a package. And I'm just applying some of that onto my page for some more marks. And then adding even more white paint to my piano keys because I'm really wanting this to be layered and have a lot of interest there. When everything is dry, I've grabbed a bunch of distress crayons and I'm going to scribble them onto the music paper and then smudge them out with my finger. And this technique works because I did apply glue on top of it, so it allows that crayon to move. The names of all the products and the colors that I'm using are listed in the description below, so check that out for more information. After I have all the crayon applied, I'm grabbing a stencil and then a baby wipe and lifting up a bunch of the crayon through the stencil so that I now have some of the music note paper showing through the crayons just to add some more texture in my background. Then I'm tipping my book and once again dripping the Lindy Starburst spray, but this time in a vertical drip. And I'm going to do this until I'm happy with that and then allow the book to lay flat and dry once again. I'm then going in with a Stabilo All pencil. This is a water reactive pencil, and I am activating that so that I have some outlines around all of the piano keys. And now I'm using a 49 and Market rub-on, and I'm going to apply this on top of my piano keys to really highlight the musical theme. I'm doing this with a Tim Holtz Ideology rub-on tool, but you could also use a popsicle stick or a bone folder to apply these rub-ons. After I have it all firmly adhered to the page, I'm just lifting the plastic back, and now that rub-on is in place. Now it's time to add my quote, so I'm using a white Posca paint pen to write the quote on my page, which says, "Believe in the power of music." And I'm writing this quote backwards, starting with the biggest word and then working my way up from there so that I am happy with the spacing. After I have all the letters, I'm also going along with the black Posca paint pen to add some drop shadow. And now I'm using another sheet of 49 and Market music rub-ons, and this time with all of the different musical instruments. And I'm once again going to apply those to my page around the quote to really highlight all the different ways that we can hear and create music. So I'm just once again using my rub-on tool to make sure that I have the entire transfer placed down on the page, and then I'm going to peel the plastic backing, and that's now permanently on my page. Once I had all the rub-ons done, I'm grabbing a color of Stickles glitter glue, and I'm just squeezing a little bit onto the page and then smoothing it out with my finger. And the glitter is sort of mimicking the feel and the movement of music when it's played. And with that, my page is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you were inspired and got ideas to use in your own art journals. I'd love to see what you're making, so take a picture and post it on social media with hashtag #ArtJournalJunction. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button so YouTube knows you want to see more of our mixed media and art journaling videos in the future.